Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by backing up everything that matters. This prevents data loss. Once done, plug the Surface into power and make sure battery stays above 50% because interruptions can corrupt the process. Next, sign out of accounts and confirm your Microsoft account password. This is required after a clean install. Now, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Recovery, and select Reset this PC. Choose whether to keep files or remove everything before proceeding. You now decide how deep the reset should be. Pick Keep My Files if you want settings refreshed but personal files retained. Pick Remove Everything for a factory-like clean. Next, choose Cloud Download to get the latest Windows image. Expect about 3 GB or local reinstall to use files already on the Surface. Make sure to review the list of apps that will be removed. Once you confirm, click Reset. The Surface will restart and perform automated reinstallation. After the reset, you'll go through the out-of-box setup. Choose language, join Wi-Fi, and sign in with your Microsoft account so OneDrive and licensing restore properly. Once at the desktop, run Windows Update and install Surface firmware and drivers. This fixes touch, camera, and audio issues. If the reset hangs or fails, force a shutdown for 10 seconds, then try the reset again or use a USB recovery drive made on another PC. If problems persist, contact Microsoft support for recovery assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.